Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Tonight we gotta do a repair on my Jeep. I got a check engine light today. It turns out when I pulled the codes, it came out as code 41, which says it's an alternator failure. Looked at the battery and it actually was running way low. Had some other issues where I couldn't run the lights and turn signals at the same time. So let's go ahead and get this alternator swapped out. Obviously you can see back there it's nighttime, so we're going to be dealing with some lights, and hopefully we can get you guys some good camera angles even with the lights. Also guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and continue following me on the next videos. Alright guys, so this is the alternator I got it over at O'Reilly's. There's the part number. The reason why I got it at O'Reilly's is because it has a lifetime warranty. I'm sure AutoZone has the same thing. Usually Amazon does not have lifetime warranties, so things that do have lifetime warranties I like to try to get at the local auto parts store. So it's pretty simple. You got 2 bolts holding it on either side. Obviously the belt. And then you have a couple electrical connections. You got your positive, your ground on either one of these, and then some other control wires going to your computer and something else. So it should be a fairly straightforward job. I don't expect it to take more than 2 hours, hopefully less. So let's get turned into the Jeep. Alright guys, so that's what I have to deal with. Let's go ahead and take a look at the alternator. What we got here is 1 bolt on top. I believe that's a 15 millimeter. Okay, we have 1 down below, should be the same, and obviously we got to remove the belt so we can get to the alternator. Shouldn't have to remove anything else. Shouldn't have to remove your compressor, but you will once you get it removed. You're gonna have to remove your electrical. So let's go ahead and get started and remove power off the battery. Alright guys, so I'm going to walk you through on how to disconnect your alternator, the battery, and all that. I have another video, I'll put a link down below as far as how to remove your belt, so I'm not going to go ahead and show you that. So let's go ahead and get the belt removed and then the alternator. Alright, so now that I have the battery removed, I'm going to go ahead and take this bolt off, and the one down below, those are 15 millimeters. So once that's released, then I can get to removing the wires. It'll give me a little more access to get in there. Okay, so in order to remove this wire and your ground wire, you're gonna need a 10 millimeter. To remove these two smaller ones, you're gonna need a 7 millimeter. So let's go ahead and get those things removed. Alright guys, so all that's left is to hook up the battery, get the belt back on. I'm not even going to speed this video up because it literally took me 15-20 minutes to do this at the most. You probably saw about 10 minutes of this video, but so in any case, let me get the belt back on and battery hooked back up and start her up. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another project on the YJ. That alternator took about 15-20 minutes to install. So all in all, it went pretty good. No issues with that. So this guy back here, we're going to keep going on it. Some more projects to come on it. Still got to do plumbing, electrical, obviously some body work, and some painting, and then obviously pop all the windows in and interior. So there's a little bit of work to be done. I'm pushing to get that thing done pretty quick here. So stay tuned. We'll have another video here shortly. And remember, it's built, not bought. Thanks guys for watching. Guys, make sure you hit that little like button, comment, and subscribe.